Introducing RodeXit, Rodent Seal in India. Giridhar Pai Associates LLP (GPAL) introduced Denmark's RodeXit all-in-one rodent seal in India in March 2022. India is only the second country where RodeXit is available after the United States of America. By January 2023, many Indian businesses had installed RodeXit for rodent-proofing their buildings. Rodent control involves rodent prevention, rodent monitoring, rodent trapping and rodent baiting. Rodent prevention through better sanitation and rodent-proofing buildings ensures that rodents don't enter your building. What is RodeXit? A Santoprene polymer strip with 10 stainless steel wires inside. It's 10 1 mm wide steel wires spaced every 5 mm repel rodent entry. RodeXit is 4 mm thick and 62 mm wide. RodeXit has 2 screw markings for every 10 centimeters. It is waterproof and can withstand 40 to 60 Celsius. It does not expand or contract from temperature changes. It has low flammability and is self-extinguishing. How do you use RodeXit? You can close any gap up to 50 mm with a RodeXit strip of suitable length. You can fix it on doors, shutters, and even to cover gaps around pipes. You can fix RodeXit with screws or glue or even double-side tape. For matching the decor, you can fix RodeXit on a mounting strip or a door guard plate. For heavy rodent pressure, you can use a double RodeXit layer for additional protection. For uneven surfaces, you can cut RodeXit to suit the shape of the opening. Contact us for making your property rodent-proof.